not connected.
The screen failed when I tried to connect to yours. You're going to turn yours off and back on.
Now try. Hello, connected. Yeah, I'm connected.
Yeah.
Why is that disconnected then? Although it did it with me and Waff, you know, a couple of times when I had my sat nav on.
Oh, it's still on?
Yeah, still connected, yeah. I think it's maybe something to do with the sat nav just diving in now and again, like.
Yeah, because mine's never disconnected with being.
Oh, it's mine then, is it?
Yeah. Recording, yeah?
Yeah, I'm recording now, yeah.
Yeah,
It is now, yeah.
Right.
I don't know what this skid risk 20 mile an hour is all about.
Because they're getting ready to put all that gravel down.
Oh, right.
They're doing from here to Gainsborough, Gainsborough to Emswell.
That's shit for bikes, isn't it?
Oh, aye, it flicks it up like hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to have to pick your routes carefully for when they lob that down.
Yeah, we will.
We've had a few customers dropping the cats off this morning.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Are they going on holiday in Britain, like, or abroad, any of them?
The odd ones abroad, but mainly
Staycations.
Yeah.
I was watching news this morning, Portugal's still on the green list, isn't it?
Yeah, they've set off onto some planes.
Yeah. And Israel, I think that was the other one.
Yeah, who's going to go to Israel?
I know, that's what I thought when I saw it. I thought, well, if you've got a choice between Portugal and Israel, I know which one I'd be choosing.
Yeah, you've got a COVID or Exocet missiles.
Yeah.
I'll pick COVID. You get there and your hotel's been blown up.
Yes. You're in the third ruin on the left.
Yeah.
Less than 4 weeks away now, John, the old Wales trip.
It is, isn't it?
Coming up fast now, isn't it? Happy days.
You watch, it'll be heat wave, hopefully.
Hopefully.
It can't last, can it, this, but all next week's. Hold on. Carol Kirkwood said its high pressures should be coming in end of next week. Or next week.
Yeah, next week's sunny, isn't it? It's a good week.
Yeah, so it's going to be picking up.
Who said that? Carol?
Carol Kirkwood.
Oh, you know personally, do you?
Yeah. Yeah, I rung her before I set off.
Hey up, Kaz, what's weather going to be like up?
Yeah. Well, John, if you're going out on your matting,
Yeah.
I won't bother.
No. Listen to Clarky, it's going to piss down.
Change them for jet skis.
Yeah. You seem to be higher up than me.
I will be, I'm taller.
Oh, you bollocks.
It'll make you look tiny on your vid.
I told you at that time when I was downtown the other week, one and a guy come up and says, "Oh, you're Steve Clark, aren't you, who does them videos on YouTube?
Yeah.
You look a lot taller on your films. A bit like Tom Cruise."
That's because all my friends are short.
Yeah. That's why I hang about with Muzzy and Russ.
We've had 2 people say that, haven't you?
Yeah, alright, don't go on.
Yeah, so if our holiday gets cancelled, well, it will be looking like it. That'll be another 2 weeks. Well, I'll get odd days I can come out with you then.
And that's before we go to Wales, isn't it?
No, that's after.
Oh, so we could maybe have a day going to Rotherham Rainbow Cycles, have we go on some BMs then?
Oh, yeah. What, instead of, yeah, because I can't see us going to Bulgaria because it's amber.
Right, we'll have a day in Rotherham then.
Yeah.
We could make a little YouTube video that day, couldn't we? Riding different bikes,
Yeah,
test riding.
Yeah, I'll take something else.
It's getting darker.
Is it? Lift your tinted visor up.
We're not on this bit of road for long, are we? So I'm not going to overtake this.
Just give it a big fistful on back wheel.
That'd be disrespectful, wouldn't it, to whiz past?
No. I reckon your sat nav talks to you more than I can.
Yeah, it does. That's going to be the only thing when we're away at Wales. It's going to be diving in all the time, isn't
Yeah.
it? But can't be helped. At least if I Bluetooth you the routes to your sat-nav, John, sat-nav will dive in same, won't it?
Yeah. I'll disconnect me sat-nav to me Bluetooth headset though.
Oh, you're going to do that, are you?
I will do. If I've got the routes in, I'll just view it on the screen.
Yeah, just do it visually,
Yeah,
yeah.
then it interfering.
Mine will interfere with us talking.
Yeah, but you haven't got two doing it.
You know where you're going, John, don't you?
Been done by a lorry.
You know where you're going, John, don't you?
Yeah, I've seen you.
It's in the turning.
Yeah.
You've been to this one before, haven't you, John?
Yeah. Does good cakes as well.
That's correct, yeah.
Bloody hell, didn't take long.
No, we're here, mate. Sorted. Sena's coming, she's just opened the hatch.
Mmm, yummy.
Right, we'll see if we can get home dry then, boy. Have you had that up all the way?
Not all the way.
Only to here?
No, not all the way. Look.
Want to see me riding?
Can't miss you.
Are
Are we still on?
Yes, yeah. I had to put my aerial up every time, didn't I?
Yeah.
I will do when we're in Wales, just in case we get separated.
I'll bring that spare chrome one I've got.
I'll just stick a coat hanger in the top, metal coat hanger.
I'll bring it and put a little bit of tape on it and do it. Sun's out though.
I know. For now.
See that?
Look nice, didn't it?
Like a sunken forest.
Yeah. What a betting sandwiches there, John.
There is, isn't there? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
We're back up.
Hello?
Hello?
Are we back on? I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can now.
Do you reckon that was because we got too far apart and disconnected?
Yeah. It didn't should auto connect though.
Yeah, it should do, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Gonna have to put my aerial up, aren't I?
Yeah, I don't know what's up with it.
Like I said, it did it with me and Waff a couple of times once.
But I'm obviously not on your pairing thing.
No. Like I say, when we get back home dry, John, I'll stop at yours and we'll just have another go at doing that.
Yeah. No, they'll do more than that.
Will they?
Yeah, what about the motorway? They do more than 56.
I thought 56 was limited.
I've been in with my mate before, he's been doing 70. Downhill, or other.
Still, I think you was doing about 100 when you put the brakes on when we went to pick that bloody welding machine up. Do you remember when you nearly sent me through the windscreen?
Yeah, it was funny that.
Oh yeah, funny for you.
Air brakes.
Yeah, it wasn't very funny for me after I was peeling my face off the windscreen.
That's probably what knackered that welder as well.
Yeah, yeah, it shot forward and jolted everything out of place.
Was it a Combi-Matic or something?
That was it, yeah, Combi-Matic.
Biggest bag of shit he bought. No but trouble, that.
It was.
Yeah, because didn't you drive to start with, or did I?
No, I did, didn't I? But I'd been in the exhibition game driving Ford 7-ton box wagons, and they'd got air brakes. I was used to them.
Yeah.
You weren't, was you?
No.
Jesus Christ.
I think you had a drink as well.
I think I did, it went all over.
Yeah.
This is a nice little village, you know.
It is, yeah. Collingham.
Collingham, yeah. That cottage there, isn't it lovely with all the ivy?
Yeah. Apart from the wall will be damp behind it.
Yeah. Odgie has ivy growing up his house, you know.
Does he?
And he got rid of some of it, and he says, what a nightmare to get off. He's got like millions of suckers on it, hasn't he?
Yeah.
And even when you've taken them all off, it leaves a stain on your bricks.
Yeah.
But something stinks.
Yeah, that shit tanker that's just gone that way.
You know what it was?
Yeah.
We played there, Muzzy and me. Millfield Golf Course. Nice golf course, full course it is.
Yeah.
£7 a round. Can't fault it. And then when we finished, we called in at the pub up here for a pint. White Swan, that's it.
Yeah, there's one on the right just up there as well.
That was lovely. I sat outside having a beer. It was a lovely summer's day. She was braking then for a bloody crow.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
I reckon we're going to make it.
You reckon we're going to make it?
Yeah, with no rain, yeah.
I think we are, aren't we?
Yeah.
Having a kip?
Yeah. I'll try to get to bed early when we go to Wales.
You won't be going to bed early with us, lads.
Midnight-ish. 11 midnight, I'm alright.
Do be 2 or 3 o'clock, mate, by the time we go to bed. I'm joking.
Can't make one bottle last that long. I'll be up before you lot.
Muzzy gets up quite early.
Does he? I'll be up, packed up and set back together, watching breakfast and television.
Do these roads look a bit wet to you?
No, they're shiny.
I thought they was looking a bit wet.
I'd have been in wet mode if they had.
And I've been in rain mode.
No, dry as snuff, please.
Oh, picturesque steelworks, eh?
Aye.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Look at that lovely, refreshing smoke coming out.
Yeah. Lovely for the environment.
Yeah.